Do you want a stronger, leaner, and more muscular body, but feel overwhelmed by all the fitness advice out there? Good news! You don't need expensive supplements or hours in the gym every day. You just need the right habits. And in this video, I'll show you 10 powerful ways to build a fit and attractive body that actually work. Some of these might surprise you, and the last one, it could be the difference between quitting and succeeding. So don't skip, watch till the end to transform your fitness journey, one step at a time. 1. Be consistent with exercise. The most common mistake. Starting strong, then stopping after a week. Building a fit body isn't about working out once in a while, it's about showing up regularly. You don't have to train every single day. Just aim for at least 4 to 5 days a week of structured workouts. You can begin with bodyweight exercises like push-ups, squats, and planks, then gradually move to weight training. 2. Eat clean and balanced. No matter how much you work out, abs are still made in the kitchen. A clean, protein-rich diet is essential to building muscle and burning fat. Eat eggs, chicken, fish, lentils, and plenty of vegetables. Include healthy carbs like rice, oats, and sweet potatoes. Avoid junk food, excess sugar, processed snacks, and soft drinks. What you eat becomes your body. So, choose wisely. 3. Sleep like a champion. Did you know most of your muscle growth happens while you're sleeping? You need 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night for proper recovery, hormone balance, and energy. No matter how hard you train, lack of sleep can slow down your results, or, worse, cause injuries and fatigue. 4. Stay hydrated all day. Water might seem simple, but it plays a huge role in your performance and muscle recovery. Drink at least 3 to 4 liters of water daily, especially if you're sweating during workouts. Try adding lemon or coconut water for extra minerals and hydration. Dehydration equals weakness. Stay sharp, stay hydrated. 5. Use supplements wisely. Supplements are helpful, but they're not magic. Whey protein, creatine, omega-3, or BCAAs can support your journey, but only if your diet is already on point. And don't just copy others. Understand your body, your needs, and always consult a trainer or nutritionist first. 6. Don't skip warm-up and cool down. Jumping straight into heavy lifts is a recipe for injury. Spend 5 to 10 minutes warming up with stretches, light cardio, or mobility drills. After your workout, cool down with deep breathing and gentle stretching. Your body will thank you, and your recovery will be faster. 7. Follow a workout plan. Don't just wing it in the gym. Create a training split, like chest on Monday, back on Tuesday, legs on Wednesday, and so on. This helps target specific muscles more effectively and gives your body enough time to recover. Stick to your plan, and results will follow. 8. Track your progress. Progress photos, body measurements, or even a workout journal, whatever works for you. When you look back after 1 or 2 months and see real changes, you'll feel proud and more motivated to continue. Fitness is a journey. Measure it. 9. Surround yourself with support. Motivation fades. That's why you need discipline, and sometimes the right company. Surround yourself with friends or groups who encourage your fitness journey. Avoid toxic negativity. If you train together, grow together. 10. Be patient and trust. The process most people give up right before the results start to show. Remember, building a great body takes time. No shortcuts. No magic pills. If you stay consistent for 6 months, eat clean, train smart, rest well, you'll be amazed at how far you've come. Your only competition is who you were yesterday. Closing message. Call to action. There you have it. 10 powerful, proven ways to build a fit body and take control of your health. Now it's your turn. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your life transform. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your fitness buddies, and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness motivation and tips.